A closer look to 1. Listen again to part of the conversation.
Unit 3, page 29. A closer look to. Activity 1. Listen again to part of the conversation.
I don't know. They're coming over.
Hi, Phúc. Hi, Dung. This is my friend Zhao.
Hi, Chow. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you like to sit down? We have lots of food.
Oh, sorry. We can't. It's time to go home. This evening, we are working on our school project.
Sounds great. I'm going to the judo club with my brother. How about you, Phúc?
I'm visiting my grandma and grandpa.